Hi guys, today I'm so excited to test my new product that I bought from Amazon from ZFJ store. This is the bacon rack that is coming into 3 pieces, the bacon rack and the tank that you grab your bacon pieces. I love this design so much, it's so convenient. This plate is so convenient to grab the oil that will be dropping from the bacon and to dump it easily with the help of this nose. So it's so pretty, amazing design. I love it so much. I can't wait to try it out. So it's time to go and assemble it. So as I figured out, if you try to assemble it by just pressing it like this, you can see you can't make it because there is still space. So the instruction says you just need to do little twists and little push, and bam, all is perfectly done and is ready to use. So let's go make some bacon. I think you can make up to 12 pieces on this rack. I have 6 of them, so let's just try and place them wherever you feel like. As you can see, my microwave is clean, so I'll just see in the end if it makes mess or not. So as you can see, the bacon cooked very nice. There's no mess in my microwave, but I like my bacon to be more crispy, so I'll add another 2 minutes to it. So here's our bacon. I added 3 more minutes. So in total I had 8 minutes because I like my bacon to be very crispy, and you can see the grease inside over there, which so easily you can just pour it out and enjoy your meal. It's so nice, and as you can see, my microwave is still clean, shining like before, and the bacon rack didn't melt. All is perfect. I love this product. I'm even thinking to gift it to my mom for holidays.
Microwave bacon cooker tray, the only way to cook bacon. This microwave bacon cooker cooks the bacon in the air and not in the fat. For 1 to 6 bacon strips, use on drip bar at the center. For 7 to 12 bacon strips, 2 drip bars at the front and back. For 13 to 18 bacon strips, use all 3 drip bars. Drape bacon strips over each drip bar. For best results, distribute bacon strips evenly on the drip bars. Place a paper towel over the drip bars to control splatter. Place the mac and bacon dish in the center of the microwave. Cook bacon on high power half 1 minute per strip. Remove bacon from drip bars and pour bacon fat from the dish at the corner. Enjoy the easy access to fresh, perfectly cooked bacon. Hopefully, you find one that will be comfortable for you and other people using it. Presto bacon microwave cooker, simply to load, cook, serve, clean, and store. Leaner and healthier than pan fried. Cooks bacon on special racks so the fat drips away. Cooks bacon tender or crisp by simply adjusting the microwave time. Makes up to 12 strips of bacon with no messy spatters on counter or stove top. Easy to use. Cooked bacon easily lifts away with the edge of a knife. Easy to clean. Everything is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. Easy to store. Removable cooking rack, stack and tray. Moreover, that being said, you can pick the right one to choose to buy the perfect one.